Okay, we're back. Finally, I have a flagship Nokia device, and this is the Nokia 8. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing now, and when I use it, I'm going to give you a first impression and a review. So basically, I've not been able to do this because it has actually been on a high price, but I just got this on a very good price on some promos. Yes, the last year flagship, but it's still capable for today, and for the price that you can get this, it beats almost every mid-range you can find for today phones. So we're going to start. This is the carton. It comes with Android Nougat 7.1, Snapdragon 835, 5.3 QHD display with 554 pixel per inch, which is awesome. 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal memory, and a Z6 branded camera, and the Nokia Ozo sound, which gives you dynamic stereo recording, which more of 360 recording. So it's secure, up to date. These are for the last generation Nokia devices, so it's not yet on the Android One program, but HMD has assured us that it's going to get frequent updates, and it's also going to get the Android One program. So also I've heard that the camera has been updated to the for manual settings, but that will help. I'll give you all that info when I'm doing the reviews. For now, this is just an unboxing. So when you open the box, you see the beautiful Nokia 8 here. This is the steel edition. It comes in copper, polished blue, and tamper blue, but this is the steel edition. So we have a SIM ejector tool here, then some leaflets, getting started guide. I don't think basically nobody reads these things, but they have to put it in there. Then we have a headphone, and thankfully this comes with a headphone jack. Then okay, this should be the charging brick. Okay, yeah, we have a charging brick here and a fast charging adapter. Actually, this supports the USB-C standard and also fast charging 3.0. so that means you can get up to 50% of battery life for just 30 minutes of charge. So the device is made out of a solid block of aluminum. This is a series 6000, but solidly built. I don't think you're going to have any flex on this. If you watch other YouTube videos, you see jerry rig, everything has done the quality test on this, and it's passed in flying colors. So what do we have here? We have the screen. Yeah, I've not set it up for now. Okay, yeah, I'm still trying to set up. We have the screen, a metal chassis. We have two 13 megapixel cameras on the back, and one of them is a monochrome, the other is the normal RGB. We have the laser autofocus, and we have the flash. Then over at the right hand side, we have a hybrid SIM slot, which is either for 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a memory card. Then over at the right hand side, we have the power button and the volume rocker. Beneath it, we have the USB-C port and the speaker and the microphone. And also on this one, we have 3 microphones all around it. One is inside this headphone jack here, so that we could for your 360-degree audio recording, which I talked about. Then we have the Nokia branding. Let me try and get this thing off this. This obviously has sat in the shelf for a while. Okay, then we get the Nokia branding over here, another 13 megapixel camera in front. All the cameras are 13 megapixels, so that you can do the dual sides, both 13 in front and 13 at the back. Then we have physical hardware buttons, and this is the fingerprint sensor right in front of it. So that's basically it about this one. When I'm done with the using it and I have satisfied myself, I'm going to bring you guys a review of this device. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.